This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the right options. Open Settings and go straight to System, then Gestures. Toggle Gesture Navigation on. Next, enable the Circle Search feature. This allows a circular gesture to open search. Grant required permissions when prompted: location for context, microphone for voice input, and accessibility for gesture recognition. Once done, practice the basic motions slowly so the system learns your input. Make sure to keep screen protectors thin. Thick ones can interfere with gesture detection. You're ready to perform the circle gesture. Place your finger near the designated screen edge and draw a single clockwise circle with a natural speed. Don't pause mid-motion. Release when the circle closes. This triggers the search overlay. If the search doesn't open, vary circle size and speed. Slower, slightly larger circles often register better. Then go back to Gesture Settings to tweak sensitivity and edge zone width, so the system captures your motion reliably without false positives. Once the search overlay appears, type or speak your query and use results as usual. Voice works after granting microphone permission. To finish, practice a few times with common queries so the gesture becomes consistent. If gestures miss more than twice, go back to Gesture Settings and increase sensitivity or expand the edge zone. If problems persist, restart the device and, as a last resort, reset gesture data in Settings. This clears learned patterns so you can retrain the circle motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.